Hello, welcome to the cooking school at Irwin Street in Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Sandy Howdeshell and I'm going to show you today how to do a lattice weave with buttercream frosting. I've already made our frosting. It is solid Crisco and some butter, powdered sugar, and heavy cream, a little light on the liquid so that it comes out stiff, okay? You don't want it running out your pastry bag. I have filled a pastry bag with a pretty blue buttercream frosting, added my coupler with the appropriate tip, and that would be somewhere around 46, 47. You'll recognize it by the grooves on the one side. It's a very flat strip is what is created. I'll show you right now what that looks like. And you see the grooves? That's the part that we're after, okay? If you're holding it upside down, you don't get the grooves, okay? So you want to make sure you're holding it in the correct position. And to begin the lattice, I need, of course, a straight line, okay? Lattice is an under-over process. And the hard part about this, or the trick, is making it appear that it is truly woven, when in fact, it is not. We need one under, one strip over, okay? Now, the next piece, we want to be under here. I can't get under there with icing, so I'm just gonna put my tip right up next to it and pull another flat line, okay? But I need to go over that one in this direction, okay? Then I need another under next to it, okay? And I need to get some overs going in the other direction. And it's just an under-over. It's really an illusion to make it appear as though you've got unders and overs. And there you have it, a basket weave or lattice made with buttercream frosting. Come back and see us again.